the growing number of online accounts, managing strong and unique passwords has become more important than ever. Password managers help users store credentials securely while maintaining convenience. Among free and open source options, KeePass and KeePassXC are two popular choices. While both focus on security and user control, they differ in design, usability, and platform support. KeePass is the original and long-established password manager known for its strong security and reliability. It stores usernames and passwords in a single encrypted database file on the user's computer, acting as a secure digital vault protected by a master password or key file. KeePass is mainly designed for Windows, though it can be used on macOS and Linux with additional configuration. One of its greatest strengths is flexibility, as users can extend functionality through a wide range of plugins, including browser integration and advanced password tools. However, its interface feels outdated to some users, and it relies on the .NET framework. Overall, KeePass is well suited for Windows users who value stability, customization, and complete local control over their data. KeePassXC is a modern, community-driven fork of KeePass created to improve usability and cross-platform compatibility. It runs natively on Windows, macOS, and Linux without extra setup, making it ideal for users who work across multiple operating systems. KeePassXC includes many essential features by default, such as browser integration, automatic form filling, and one-time password OTP generation, reducing the need for plugins. Its clean and modern interface offers a consistent experience across platforms and is more beginner-friendly. While it provides fewer customization options than classic KeePass, it delivers a smoother out-of-the-box experience without requiring the .NET framework. As a user of KeePass, I appreciate the zero-knowledge, offline-first approach that gives me full ownership of my data. Its strong encryption, open-source development, and extensive plugin support are major advantages. On the downside, the interface feels dated, it depends on the .NET framework, and setup outside Windows can be less convenient. As a user of KeePassXC, I enjoy the modern interface and native support across Windows, macOS, and Linux. It includes most essential features without relying on plugins and works independently of the .NET framework. However, it offers less deep customization and relies on community development for long-term updates. Both KeePass and KeePassXC are excellent password managers that prioritize security, privacy, and user control. KeePass is ideal for users who prefer customization and primarily use Windows, while KeePassXC is better suited for those who value modern design, simplicity, and cross-platform convenience. The best choice ultimately depends on your workflow, operating system, and personal preferences.